Morning, y'all. So I'm at Aldi. I had not been to Aldi in probably a month, and I was a little hesitant because I know that I don't know, some stuff was out of stock. But really, when I went in and got the meats not too long ago, well, I think about a month ago or 3 weeks ago, they had meats. My lips were so chapped. I left my purse at home and I just brought my wallet and my gloves and stuff. So anyway, I'm about to go in here and I see they have tape on the road or near the shopping carts right there. So it must have been a line of people because now they're only letting a certain number of people go in at a time. But I wanted to get here early. It's 9:51 and I wanted to get here at 9. Yeah. And then it's Wednesday. So I know Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesdays are pretty good days to shop at Aldi. But I wanted some produce today. But let me take you in here because I know this woman probably like, what's she talking to this camera? Okay, bye. Guys, I'm back from the store and it's exhausting. It is exhausting trying to go down the right aisle, the right direction, even though sometimes I still wasn't doing that. It's exhausting making sure your hands are sanitized. It's exhausting, y'all. Just exhausting. And then after I lay everything out, you have to, or bringing everything in, you have to wipe everything off. And then you try not to bring your shoes in the house without Lysol them or spraying alcohol on the bottom of it. So I leave it at the door. The boys were still asleep. But anyway, let me show you what I picked up. And then I have a Dollar Tree haul I put in a separate video. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a while. I was looking for a couple of things. I was looking for puzzles. They didn't have it or whatever. So I went early to Aldi. I think I said that in another part. I have to snip it that's on my phone and insert that. It wasn't that many people in there at all, which I love. That's why I was apprehensive to go to Aldi, because really people are in your space in Aldi. What else, y'all? It was fully stocked. Of course, no paper, no wipes, disinfectant wipes, but they had paper towels. I didn't need any frozen items. Really only got frozen pizza. Our freezers, both of them are packed to capacity, so I did not get any of that. I mainly want to get produce. So let me turn this around and show you guys what I got. Okay, y'all, I spent a total of $158. So yeah, and that's fine. They also had a limit on how many canned goods you could get. I was looking at that too. But I did recently post this on my Instagram, and it is a gallon jug. And I got this from Amazon, so I did get questions. The other day, what made this trip is, of course, it was some stuff that we needed, but I wanted some more produce and some vegetables because I feel like crap, y'all. I feel like total crap. Like I was sitting in here eating and I was not hungry. Like mainly when I stay up late, I wasn't hungry. I had sweets and I didn't want them. I know I had those banana nut muffins. They were so moist and so good, and I sat there and ate another one. Didn't really want it, y'all. Didn't desire it and just got it anyway. And when I woke up, I felt like crap. I felt like total crap. And I felt sluggish. I felt my, I just felt like crap, y'all. So I said I was going to, if I had to have a soda, I was going to have one every other day or one a day. And then I was going to drink more water, of course. Because a lot of times when you think you have cravings, it's because you just need to drink some water. And I notice when I get my water in the whole day, I don't crave a whole lot of mess. Some turkey bacon, some almond milk, some syrup. I got some Italian seasoning. I got some cups because we're always washing dishes. I got 2 things of the waffles. They were low on that. Some strawberries. I got some active dry yeast. And I got this because I couldn't remember which one, so that's why I got both. for my bread machine, even though they do have bread machine yeast, and I didn't have any, so I couldn't even order none on Walmart to pick up. So I finally picked that up. They're 89 cents. 2 of these grape tomatoes, some mini cucumbers, some sliced cheese, some raspberries, some caramel coconut fudge cookies, some peanut butter cookies. I mainly got that for them. I don't desire any. I'm trying to cut out on the sweets. Some minced onion, some onion powder, and some garlic salt. And what I'm trying to do, y'all, what I'm getting ready to do is I'm gonna start ordering my seasonings in bulk because I'm always running out. So I did sign up for a $20 Groupon that BJ's had, but I still love Costco. But I'm just gonna have to get up the nerve one day to, go in there with the crowd. Minced garlic, some large olives, some real bacon pieces. I got 2 of these. Some cinnamon crunch squares. I got 2 of those. Some marshmallows and stars. The family size frosted flakes. A lot of the stuff did have limits on it, and I was just like, which I wasn't getting that much, but the canned goods, I'll show you in 1 second. It was a limit of 4. I think the cereal was a limit of 4 or 2. The eggs was a limit of 1, which I was disappointed, and they were 88 cents. So that's a lot compared to what it normally is. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart and get like the 2 18-pack. The fudge bars, some oranges, some pepperoni. I got some paper plates. 2 things of the toaster tarts for the boys. I got 2 of the grits because we run out of this really quick, and I was like, why am I just picking up 1? The nacho cheese. I got some sour cream and onion. I got some rich sour potato chips, and then some jalapeno kettle chips. I haven't gotten those in a while. I got them 4 of the pepperoni Mommy Cozy pizzas. I got Jason some Honey Crisp apples. I think there's a Honey Crisp. And then I only could get 4 Vienna sausage. I think I picked up 12 of these. Jason likes to take these to work, and y'all, that's all I could get. That was my buddy, but that was the rules. But it wasn't on that side. It was only on the canned goods side. So that's why I thought it was okay. I got some green apples for me and Saya. Anybody else? Some spinach. I got some grapes, red and green. Those are green tomatoes. Some hamburger buns. I got the brioche buns. I think today what we're going to have is what we're gonna have some okay, y'all, my battery was done, so if it sounds a little different or look a little different, that's what's going on. I got 2 of the cream of mushroom. You always seem like I need this, or you should have it a staple in your pantry. I got some bacon potatoes, some spring mix. There's the other bacon pieces, some olive oil cooking spray. I needed some more of the plastic wrap, some bananas, onion soup mix. This is another thing that's good to have on hand for different things. Those are the grapes. And I got some, what's this here? Apple cider vinegar. The baking powder, I remember when I cleaned out my pantry that I didn't have any, so I went ahead and picked this up. When I cleaned it out for the holidays, I still haven't replenished it. What is the date of this? Okay, so it's gonna last a long time. I got some thyme leaves. I needed some oregano leaves, some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, some parsley, and this was running low. The black pepper grinder, that's my favorite. I made some tuna fish the other day for lunch, and I didn't have any crackers, so I picked up some saltine crackers. They didn't have any strawberry applesauce, but I got this for them anyway, the cinnamon applesauce. And I thought I had some regular. I must have already showed it already. The trail mix, this is kind of pricey. It's like $5, almost $6, but we liked it. And I think it's just a little bit left. I got some mini cheese crackers, and then I got the mini peanut butter crackers, and then I got the buttery rounds, and then the Boulder paper towels. So it was a limit of paper too. So I don't know if they had toilet paper, if I could have got toilet paper and paper towels, or I'm thinking I could have. But I know it was limit of 1, and I understand it's limit of 1, but I think it should be at least limit of 2, because Well, no, that'll go kind of fast. Only because if you're shopping for like your mom or your dad or your neighbor who can't get out or something like that, then you can pick one up for them. That's the only reason why I think it should be limited to. But I understand, especially a store like Aldi. But they were out there too, y'all. They were wiping off the carts. They had arrow signs of which direction, but it wasn't that many people. I don't know. I didn't see a sign on the door of how many people can go in, but I did see at my Dollar Tree only 20 people can go in at a time, but it was still people in the way, more so at Dollar Tree than Aldi. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe. And yeah, are you guys tired of cooking already? Are your grocery bills high? Just let me know down in the comments, because I know mine is. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, y'all. Sorry about the TV. I turned on the news and I forgot to show Josiah's jacket. So they mainly had girls. Well, I don't know what week this came out. Yeah, what week this came out, the jacket, because I haven't been keeping up. But anyway, I thought it was, even though these kids ain't even really going nowhere now I think about it. But it's a jacket. It was $6.99. The girls, so I don't know what other boys' designs that they had. It has these little sleeves here. I'm going to wash it first. And then it has this liner, so it's not just this material here. It'll keep them warm just a little bit. A little wind jacket, has some pockets here. So I thought it was cute for $6.99. I like to pick up this little stuff for him, or even when I see stuff for the boys, more so than my size. I do wish Aldi sometimes will carry plus size. When they have those yoga pants and all that other stuff, at least to a 2X, or y'all, something. But anyway, y'all, it has a little hood on the back. Or 1X or something, y'all. Okay, y'all. Bye.